Oh my god, this rich woman stole an AirPods holder.
I have money, so if they want to pay it, fine, but it's not a keychain. Rich, I can afford all this.
While this woman acted like she owned the 7-Eleven.
Natalia, I'm sorry, I the master of the Orland Park 7-Eleven.
Thinking they were above the rules, these rich Karens were about to learn that the law makes no exceptions. These are times when extremely entitled rich Karens get arrested. Starting with this woman who carried a $7,000 bag while stealing $330 worth of merchandise.
Thousands of dollars. Okay, this Chanel purse is $7,000. Okay, it's not a keychain, it's an AirPod holder.
On January 5th, 2025, police received a report about a woman accused of taking an item worth approximately $330 from a store. But when approached, her behavior only made things go from bad to worse.
Okay.
I didn't buy it.
On the video, it shows that you were here yesterday. It shows that you purchased 2 bottles of cologne, and it shows you took a keychain from the display case.
Okay, it's not a keychain. I didn't take any keychain.
And as they were bringing you up for the
it's just this. It's the iPod holder.
I know, but as you were bringing up the cologne, you had the keychain still. And you still had the keychain.
I looked at the iPod holder, but it didn't fit, so I didn't buy it.
Well, you walked out with it. They
No, I did.
Yeah, well,
can you ask them if they can look around to see if it fell in it? Because it's really small.
Yeah, well.
It doesn't.
Apparently, they don't
have
it, and you walked out with it. And they said
no, I didn't.
And then you came back to the store, and that's where they recognized you.
Right, I came back so I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
That's why I came back.
Well, that's
if I did something wrong, why would I come back? You know.
That's what happened. So you walked out when you came back today.
It's not. Let me tell you, it's not a keychain.
So what is it then? It's not a keychain. What is it?
It's a AirPod holder.
No, on the video, there's no the only AirPod holder that I see.
Oh my God! I
your
look. That's the
AirPod
only thing I know. That's the one. It's silver. That's the only thing I look at while I'm waiting for them to bring me up. It's yes, it's an AirPod holder. I don't need any keychain.
Well,
it's not a keychain. Oh my God! I don't know how to tell you. It's an AirPod holder.
I didn't find it on you. You let me check your bag, and I couldn't find it.
Right.
A keychain item.
You know what? I'm rich. I have money. So if they want to pay it, fine. But it's not a keychain. It doesn't fit this. I took it out. Why don't you look at the camera carefully? I took it out. I put it in. So did you see me putting it in?
No, I see you took out your iPod.
Right.
You're looking at the keychain.
To put it in there.
What?
Oh my God.
To put it what? To put the keychain in there?
To test this to see if it fit.
Right.
It's not a keychain. I'm a fashion designer. I know. It's not a keychain.
So what was it then?
It's an AirPod holder.
No.
It's an AirPod case. Call Gucci and ask them. It's an AirPod
They
case.
swear it was a keychain. And it's valued at $330.
It's not. That's it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's a Gucci keychain. It's not cheap.
That is cheap. That is really cheap.
Okay.
I buy stuff for like thousands of dollars. Okay, this Chanel purse is $7,000. Okay, it's not a keychain. It's an AirPod holder. How can I tell you?
Come on.
It's an AirPod holder.
She is popular and semi-famous in the Asian community. She is a singer named Linda Trong Dai, and one of her popular songs is Supermarket Love Affair. OMG, I'm so embarrassed for her.
Yeah, just keeps it hidden. Alright, and go forward, she never brings it back out. She never put it back. I know, probably the count doesn't answer. Okay, walks over, catch them distracted, while they're with bags, get them all flustered, they walk forward, around, she keeps going, around 308, I can show you that. She walks out. She's gonna go down, show me the fragrance. Yeah, she just bought it.
Yeah, I was here right here.
And then puts it back, still has the holder, and then she walks. I can show you she's walking out at 308.
At no point she attempted to pay for the item.
Nope. And then just walks out. Her husband's outside. I think it's her husband, I don't know.
Can I see the beginning of the video where she just see her face again? Because I was focused on what she was taking. And that's the same lady you recognize that came back today?
It's the same hair color, same color hair.
She said it yesterday.
Oh, she said she's come back today?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys want to press charges?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna need. I know you probably already did the statement online.
Sure, I'll go see it.
I can't grab that because it's already been submitted. I'll grab another statement for you if you don't mind filling that out.
Sure, no problem.
Just pretty much outline very basic. real quick, obviously you've been detained for criminal investigation. I'm the one that's going to be doing the investigation. I know they talked to you before. You might read it.
I'm sorry.
You read her?
No.
No? Okay. Because I want to ask you questions to get some clarification, I do have to read you your rights. Okay? It does not mean you're under arrest, it just means you're detained.
Sure,
Okay?
sure, no problem.
And then I want to ask you a question.
What's detained? This never happened to me before.
You're detained. You're not free to leave. Yeah.
Wait, what was it?
You're
It means
not.
you're not free to leave right now. We just do an investigation.
So I can leave.
You're not. No.
You're not. You're detained.
You're detained.
What does detain mean?
Like you're being held.
This
Like you're
problem
being-
before.
Can't go anywhere right now.
Yeah.
Oh, not arrested, but detained. Meaning
Right.
that you have to wait.
We have to investigate.
To be here to
Yeah,
investigate.
exactly.
We have to investigate the facts before we make a determination. And that's what we're doing right now.
She didn't know what detained meant, but she knew what bond out meant. Bad job playing stupid, risking going to jail over an overpriced piece of metal of somebody's initials.
Remain silent, do you understand?
Yes.
Yes. You'd like to talk to word Yes. If you don't follow 1, 2, 3, 4 questions, I'll charge you.
Yes.
If they don't your conversation,
No.
you want to talk about what happened?
Yeah, like he said now. So I got to Cologne,
Okay.
but while waiting for them to ring me up, I saw like a AirPod holder.
Okay.
But because he keeps saying a keychain, that's why it's confusing.
Well, this is what it is right here. So it's not really confusing because it does look like a keychain here.
Oh well, I don't consider it a mirror. I
Okay.
tried on.
Semantics at this point, so continue.
It's a whole AirPod holder.
Okay.
But I wasn't sure if it would fit this,
Okay.
so I tried put it on there.
Oh, okay.
I put it on, but it didn't fit. That's why I didn't get it.
Okay.
And I just left
What
it.
did you do with it?
I just left it back and then
Where did you leave it at?
on the just threw it on the counter and then
Which counter? The counter, the checkout
Where
counter?
where they bring up the bottle.
So exactly where you rung up the bottle? is where you
Yeah,
left.
because what happened was they rang me up and I put the credit card in and it didn't go through somehow. It was really crazy. So I was trying to hurry to get out to go to work because I had to sing. So I put it in to work and then they make me do it again. So it was kind of crazy because they were ringing a few people up. So I don't remember. I just said, hurry and then left.
Okay, so right where you were checking out with the bottles of cologne is where you put the keychain back at?
Yeah, that's where I looked at, wherever that was.
Okay.
It was like really
So pretty much it's fair to
rushed.
say it's pretty much fair to say the exact spot that you got it from is where you put it
Yeah,
at.
so maybe that's what I was trying to tell them. Maybe can they search the whole store? It might have fell somewhere before they
So here's the
assumed.
deal with your
It seems that she thinks that the more she talks, she'll convince them that she's innocent. She's constantly talking and talking over everyone. It doesn't matter if it's a keychain or AirPod holder, you still stole it.
If you want to pay, I don't want to pay it. I don't have it. I swear to you, I don't have it.
Is it in your
If they
car?
want me to pay, I will pay.
Is it in your car?
I don't have a car. I've been taking Uber. I don't live here. That's why.
Where do you live?
I live in California.
So who's the gentleman and the girl that came back for you?
That's just my friend, my fan, my loyal fan.
And who was the
Anybody
guy?
run that by chance?
No, anybody.
He's loyal fan that I was saying.
Do you have our OPD stamps?
Yeah, I'll get that right.
I mean, I can pay for it if
So
it's
you don't know
lost.
where it's at?
I don't have it, seriously.
But you told me you put it back right where the counter was. So you did not do that.
No, I don't remember. I think I throw everything back once my husband was rushing me out because we were late for the show. The only reason we came in here because his outfit was malfunctioned. So we went to Neiman and bought a suit, a silver suit.
But you do remember yesterday picking up the keychain, testing it out, and then
Not a
it didn't fit.
keychain. Stop
Okay,
saying
the
keychain.
holder.
I tested.
Yeah.
It didn't fit. So I put it back into my LV thing, and then I don't remember what happened to it. Do you know what I mean?
No, not really.
Because if it fit, I wouldn't buy it. It didn't fit. I tried it. It didn't fit. You should look at the camera carefully.
And they checked your purse and you don't
I
have
tried
any
it.
proof?
He looked at the whole place, right?
Are you okay if I look at it?
Oh no problem. So I don't remember what happened, to that thing. Maybe can't they search the whole store? It's really little, so I don't know. They can't search the store for it,
They did. They do counts. That's the
because that's really little.
I understand that.
I mean, it's not anywhere on the ground or in the clothing or anything like that. Or did they check on the cologne side? Because I went back there to
They
make
checked
sure.
the entire store.
Okay. Because I went back there to make sure the cologne was the correct one. Because he gave me the wrong one.
Alright. Have you ever been arrested for anything before or charged criminally for anything?
No, no,
You have friends and family here?
no. A friend, but not family.
Okay, friends. Okay.
So desperate to appear as though they have money, no one who actually does would ever say this. She is proof you don't have to be young, rich, attractive, or even known to be an entitled influencer.
You're going to put your hand behind your back. At this time, you are being placed under arrest
What is that?
for retail. Petty theft.
But I didn't take it.
The video shows otherwise. They did an inventory of the store.
I didn't take it.
Okay.
So what am I get? I can't go home?
Unfortunately, ma'am, because you're not a resident of Orange County or Osceola, I'm not able to do what we typically do, which is
So what
file
am
at
I
large
supposed to do?
or, huh?
So what do I?
You're gonna go to the Orange County Jail, and you're gonna bond out from there.
So somebody has to come and bond.
Yeah, somebody will have to come out and bond. Your bond will be $1,000.
Okay, they can do it right away.
I don't know as far as like on their end how long it takes, but you will be able to bond out as soon as you get there. It's just a matter of how long. The
Okay, can I tell them?
I'll let them know.
They're my only friend. Here.
Give me a second. Can you get somebody's going to go do a statement at Gucci? I need a police statement over there.
I got you.
You don't have anything? Do you have pockets or anything like that?
No.
Okay. I have to check at least your waistband to make sure you don't have any weapons. My camera's on. They're here as witnesses.
Yeah.
I'm gonna use the back of my hand to make sure there's
No
no
problem.
knives or anything like that.
But can I just talk to them to tell them? Because can I talk to them and tell them to come?
One second. You want all your property? You want all your property to go to
You want me to say
your family over there? Or your
My
friends?
friend, yeah, but can I talk to them?
basically, they
I'll
got
stand in here. I'm not gonna
Yeah,
talk.
we'll have to stand here.
And I'll just put my head out.
yeah.
Do you want them to know that you're being arrested?
No, I don't. Because this is crazy. No, can I just stand here and talk to them? Through this door?
Well, we're going to get them to your property. What are they supposed to know about you?
Otherwise, where is it gonna be? Here?
It'll have to go to the jail, but I mean, I don't know.
But will I get it
Where's your
back?
vehicle at?
Yeah, you'll get it back. Hold on.
So I can take it with me.
My only concern is because one, the price dollar of your bag, and two, if they don't allow that in the jail, because sometimes they're very
Is this
specific on the
expensive?
type of hold that, or
Oh,
because
nobody's
of it being
taking
a
care of it?
purse.
Okay.
Yeah, I'd rather give it to somebody you know. That way, there's for sure.
Okay, I can give it to her, but I'll explain to her. Is
I'll
it
bring her
okay?
back here.
Yeah, no, I can talk to her.
No, we'll bring her back
No, I'm not going out there. Just
No.
through the door.
We'll bring them back here.
No,
It is what
but
it
I
is.
don't want, I need to tell them. This is a big misunderstanding.
You can tell them that, that's fine. You can
Yeah, so
tell
can I
them,
just tell them through the
we'll
door?
bring them back here. You want to talk to them or not?
In the end, she was charged with retail theft with bail set at $1,000. Lesson learned, being an influencer isn't a get-out-of-jail-free card. This Karen's entitlement may be hard to top, but her level of delusion can't even come close to the rich woman in our next case.
Natalia, I'm sorry. I the master of Orland Park 7-Eleven.
On May 21st, 2022, police were called to a store after a woman who had previously been banned from the property returned and caused a disturbance. What the report didn't mention, she was about to be one of the most obnoxious people these officers would deal with all month.
Won't let me.
Okay, are you supposed to be here?
Yes,
Are
my
you-
dad's
are you-
coming with my kid.
Are you trespassed from here?
Yes, I am.
You are?
Yes.
So why are you here?
Why am I here? That is the question.
That is the question.
That's the
If
answer.
you're not supposed to be here and you've been trespassed here, why are you here?
Why am I here? That's exactly right. Why am I here?
Okay, sit down for me. So you're here to buy a lighter, huh?
Yeah. But nobody will buy me a lighter. I picked a cigarette off from 7-Eleven.
Okay. So you know you're not supposed to be here. When were you trespassed from here?
I don't know. You tell me. When is my daddy coming? Let me see. Let me dial his number. Okay, he said he's going to be here in 15 minutes.
So what's going on?
She is not allowed in the store because she was caught stealing by one of our other employees.
Okay, did you guys ever report that to us?
Kirsty, was it reported? I believe so.
We're not showing anything in the house about a
Hang on one
trespass
second.
order.
Hang on. That's my daughter who owns the store.
Sure.
She can explain to you.
Hi, Christy. This is Officer Prattle with the Orange Park Police Department. How are you?
He said go home.
No, you sit here. You stay right here.
No, I'm about to go home.
No, you're going to stay
It's a
here.
free country.
You're going to stay here.
It's a free
You're
country.
detained right now pending an investigation of you being trespassed here. Sit down. You understand?
You.
Sit down.
you.
Okay, sit down.
You.
Sit down.
You.
All right, you're not leaving. You're staying right here.
You.
Okay, that's fine.
Stupid. Who the are you?
Hey,
Who the are you?
Natalia.
Stop.
Natalia.
She met the officers with rage instead of answers, refusing to cooperate and arguing with them as they investigated the disturbance. But that kind of energy rarely leads to a peaceful outcome.
Later.
Hey, have a
Why
seat
is
for
she
me,
smoking?
okay? Natalia.
Why is she smoking?
Is that your dad?
Yes, that's
Can
my
I speak
dad.
to your dad? Hey, sir, it's Officer Prattle. Hey, can you have Natalia have a seat for me real quick, and we'll come talk to her here in a moment? Can you have a seat on the bench for me, please?
No, you.
Natalia, please. That's not nice. Can you please have a seat on the bench for me?
Natalia. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't speak English.
You do.
No, I'm sorry. I don't. It's called America.
Okay.
Underneath one God.
Okay. Can you have a seat for me for a second?
Off.
Natalia, can you please have a seat for me, and we'll come talk
Are
to
you a robot?
No.
Are you a robot?
Here, I'm going to give you your phone back for a second. Hold on a second.
The woman was very hostile toward the lady and did not want the officer to speak with her.
Did she threaten you?
Yes, she did.
What'd she say?
She threatened to smash me in my face. She threatened to smash up.
Yeah, just like you threatened that.
Back up.
That.
Back up.
That called me.
Yeah, I never threatened her. I just told her to leave. I told her she's not.
That
in the
called
store.
me on the phone and
Okay,
said she
so
was gonna
no,
come.
we're going to trespass her now from here. It'll be in our...
Okay.
No, you.
Natalia.
So what did she say to you?
She came in the back, and unfortunately, the customer that was here that heard it all is gone. But
Natalia, stop. Go sit over there. Go sit over there till we're done here.
Did you order Chipotle?
No.
Did you order Chipotle at the wrong name?
No.
Wrong name.
What are you talking
wrong
about?
Name.
I don't even like Chipotle. What are you talking about?
Exactly. You don't like Chipotle.
Within minutes of the officers arriving, it was clear things were already going downhill. She kept taunting the officers, storming in and out of her home, and slamming the door as if she were in charge, all while her belligerent attitude only worsened.
Exactly. What the are you talking about?
well, I wasn't sure because of her erratic behavior. I happened to have my phone talking with my daughter, and I had my glasses on. I took my glasses off. I stuck my phone, my glasses on the beer display at the back just in case.
Did you feel like she was going to physically hurt you?
I did, because she did step towards me, and it may show that on the camera.
Okay.
Are you Gucci? Are you Gucci?
Miss, not right now. Okay, thank you.
Go in the store.
You
Are
can
you
go
okay?
Oh,
Yeah.
Christy, okay.
I don't know, I'm not Kirsty, but
She's fine. She's fine.
What?
Oh, there's
I
Rob.
didn't. I was just gonna go. Alright,
You're
you
good,
okay?
girl. Yes, I'm fine. I'll talk to you later. She's fine.
Are you Gucci?
And he's alright.
Are you Gucci?
He's the one that caught her shot.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway, they said another customer came in and went to the back to get beer, and she came in behind him, and I said, "You're not allowed in here." And she followed him to the back. So I went to the back and I asked the customer, I said, "I am so sorry about this." I said, "Please ignore her. She's not allowed in here."
She. You.
Natalia, stop. Let her talk, and then we'll let you talk.
I don't know how rich she is, but she's definitely off her rocker. The mental instability coming through loud and clear with this woman, or drug influence, sad but frustrating.
Smash the glass, Mike. You know what? I'm a good person. I'm a good person, and I don't do like that.
Stop.
Stupid.
Stop.
Smash up your glasses. That's what I'm gonna smash up, your glasses. Smash up your shirt.
Like I said, I
And do you guys want to sign a complaint for assault and disorderly conduct?
Can I sign one for assault? She didn't actually touch me.
So the assault is the threat or intimidation
Yeah,
of a
I'll
physical
sign it.
battery.
I'll sign it.
And for the actual disruptive piece for screaming and all that
Yeah.
story, yeah.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, I know. No, she was
I've met you before, haven't I?
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah. Like I said, we can't have her here.
Okay,
She
no, we'll
stole
trespass
from
her.
us. We told her she's no longer allowed in, and
She's being held
she doesn't
captive.
listen.
She's being held captive.
All right.
Dollar Tree, that
Hey, Christy, it's Officer Prattle again. Yeah, so for the signing of the complaint for the assault and disorderly conduct, I would just need Mom to come to the station to sign the complaints.
Yeah, I got my other employee there. Please do whatever you can to throw the book at that woman, because I swear to God, this is the last time that I'm going to put up with it. This is insane. This don't make any damn sense. And that woman, I will literally, personally, and then none of this recorded, because you're on my mom's phone, I'll bring you $1,000 right now. You smash her in the
Christy, no, we don't do that, and everything is recorded on a body-worn camera.
Yeah, Chrissy, no.
You are on speakerphone,
Yeah,
ma'am.
Chrissy, don't.
No, that we don't
OP
do
is
that.
recording.
About 20-25 minutes if you can just come to the front. Okay, so for the trespassing, nothing's been on file, but the store trespassing the car shoplifting. We want to sign for disorderly conduct and assault.
What is the assault?
So she kept saying I'm going to smash your face.
She kept saying I'm going to smash your face?
Yeah, to the employee, to the elderly employee, and caused a scene in the store, which disrupting other customers. So they want her trespass and sign.
Okay. You're adamant on the signing?
Huh?
You're adamant on the signing?
Yeah.
Okay.
I talked to the store owner on the phone there. And
They're going to come in and sign complaints then to the station?
She's being held captive. She's being held captive. No, but they said don't come back if you don't work here. Do I work here? Do I look like a heavy machine operator?
Drunk on entitlement and convinced the law didn't apply to her, she pushed things one step too far, and it would turn out to be her worst decision of the day.
But I your master. I the master of the Orland Park 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven is where it's at. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven, that's where I your master. I the guy at 7-Eleven. I the owner. That's what I did.
Is for me, okay? Can you stand up for me? Stand up for us, okay? Okay, put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for disorderly conduct and assault, okay? All right, we're going to be right this way, okay?
Sorry, you got anything that's going to focus stabbing on you?
No, I don't.
Okay. No weapons of any kind?
Why don't you go yourself?
Okay.
Oh, she's real funny now. She's real funny now.
Ultimately, she was charged with aggravated battery upon a peace officer assault and breach of peace. The comment section soon became filled with discussions about what had just happened. If by rich you mean on drugs, then sure, she's totally rich. Natalia Muffintop should have been in cuffs, detained as soon as she started wandering. She didn't go nuts, she was already there. Next, another grown-up, rich Karen with a passion for stealing finally has to face the consequences of her selfish action.
I was looking at the, I have two.
See, this is what they were talking about. So
Yeah,
it is.
so I'm looking for all of these things.
So what would you like to do, ma'am?
On November 24th, 2023, officers were dispatched after a repeat shoplifter returned to the store and was reportedly shoplifting again. But when the officers arrived, somehow Karen believed she was the one being wronged.
And we have it on video, and we sent the video to y'all, and the young girl came and she said just next time she comes in the shop to call y'all. But she has two of our necklaces in her purse. We've seen them down. We're talking to her, like helping her. She acts like she's going to buy some things. Do you need to wait till she leaves the store with them?
No.
Or can you confront her in there and ask to look in her pocketbook?
If she's concealed the merchandise, yes, yeah, I can do that.
Okay. She's got some pattern tights on and a dress. She was up here at the front of the store.
Okay. Can you identify the necklaces when you see them?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're still on the car board. Okay. Right here. Right here. That's her.
This young lady? Okay. How you doing, ma'am? Hi, I'm Officer Thomas with Savannah Police Department.
Yeah.
This is the store manager. I have one of the managers with me.
Yeah.
Is it possible she could check your purse? She said that she believed that there was store merchandise that was concealed in your purse.
No, I'm not concealing it. I have a list of, I'm trying to buy for my granddaughter, and she's holding it for me.
Okay, so did you put it in your purse?
So I wouldn't drop it while I was looking at the, I have two.
See, this is what they were talking about. So
Yeah,
it is.
so I'm I'm looking for all of these things.
So
And
what would you like to do, ma'am? It
well,
wasn't
I'm
in
trying to
purse.
buy.
No, we have you on video shoplifting from us before. And we've called the police before, and they have the videos of you stealing necklaces from over there. We know that we've done that. So I can show you the video.
Okay, so we have that it was concealed. It was in the pocketbook. It was concealed. So what do you wish to do
That
at
was
this
just
step?
putting it in here until I could find the.
Here's the deal.
I'm looking at all of this for my.
Misunderstanding my foot. It's not the first time you stole from the shop. She knew exactly what she was doing. Disgusting thief and a liar. The list is for things she wants to steal. Disgraceful behavior.
More than anything, like for her to get help because she's got family and grandchildren who love her and care about her.
Okay, so you don't wish for her to be arrested at this moment and charged with shoplifting.
I got your other stuff.
So,
Please, I just want. I'm trying to buy a bunch of. No, but I really
I know
was
you might
trying.
be buying the straps, but you.
No,
so you have
I'm trying to
options.
buy the pocketbook and everything.
You can
I'm trying to
choose
buy
to get a
everything on
warrant
her
for the
list.
previous shoplifting. You can ban her today, or because the merchandise was in the purse concealed, you can press charges. So let me just update these officers on what's going on. So when I came in, I met the manager outside. She told me that they saw. Yeah, those two items right there said she had put them in her purse because they have her on video and they filed a previous shoplifting report on this lady. They told me the items were in the purse. I walked up to her and they told me she had already concealed them. So I said, yes, Georgia law says that once they conceal or alter, you can approach them. And I asked her, could I check her purse? The items were in the purse underneath some items. She has very few items in the purse, but they were in there underneath them. So I'm asking her if she wants to prosecute today. And so right now she's saying that she wants to get her to get help, but I just need to know yes or no if you're going to prosecute today.
What's she saying?
So far she's just talking it over. Do you want to? What do you want to do today?
I want to proceed with
Prosecute? Okay, she wants to prosecute. She wants to prosecute for shoplifting because you have all the elements. So you can go right ahead, or I can do it if I was since I'm here first.
I got it. I'll do it. All right, miss. Can you
Please,
can I have your bag, please? Just want to put your phone in there.
I'm
We'll
just
take care of
trying
this.
to.
What's that?
I said I'm on my lunch hour. I'm just trying to buy something.
Okay, well,
At the counter.
just put your phone in the bag for me. I'll explain everything to you in a second, okay?
It's his choice.
All right, man. Just turn around for me.
Please don't do this.
These are the people who steal for the thrill. She'll never stop. Not sure if she's delusional or just default lying and playing dumb all that stuff.
Arrest her on a subpoena.
Please don't do this.
They want to prosecute for
I'm
shoplifting
just
because
trying to
here's the deal,
buy.
ma'am. This is the deal. So
I understand.
they have a previous shoplifting report on you. They have video of it. Today, the
I don't-
items were in your purse, and that's not what a shopper would do. A typical shopper would do. But however, the law says once that item is concealed, then you can be charged with shoplifting because it was in your purse concealed and not in plain view while you were out shopping. So that, and they wish to prosecute for that. So that's why he's asking you to.
I'm just trying to purchase that list.
Okay, so,
For my
ma'am, if you
grandchild.
could, go ahead and face me and place your hands behind your back.
You face that officer, man.
Yeah, I don't understand where that's coming from. It hasn't happened multiple times. And I'm on my lunch hour. I have to go right back to work.
Yes, ma'am, but unfortunately, you made a decision to conceal it in your bag, and they
I-
say they have a previous report with you, which we will look up. And so today, they wish to prosecute for the concealment of the items in your purse.
But I didn't mean to conceal them. I just dropped them in there so I could look at
Yes, ma'am,
the
but
rest of the stuff. And I have a list up there that I'm trying to pay for.
Yes, ma'am, but that's
And those need to be paid for too.
but the concealment is against the law.
Well, I understand that, but I
Yes,
didn't
ma'am.
mean to conceal it.
Yes, ma'am, but
I mean,
according to them, they have a previous shoplifting report on you. They have video proof. So she wishes to prosecute today, so
I
that's
did
why
drop
you're in
it in there
handcuffs.
for sure.
Do you want me to ring up how much these are?
Yes.
Okay. If I ring it up, yeah. If I ring it up, it'll do a transaction. Is that okay? Yeah.
Avoid it.
Might be a way to.
Yeah, we could probably
Yeah.
later.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna ring.
Yeah, we just
these
return it.
two up.
Please don't do
I want
this.
you to get help. That's what I want you to do.
No, I just want to buy my present.
That were in the purse.
Okay. And that was the only thing that she
Those are
concealed?
the two today. It's happened before with necklaces for children. So
Yeah, this is totally a misunderstanding. I'm trying to buy you all the gifts.
You can't conceal
But
you can't put them in your purse.
I just was putting them for a minute. She's got a thing
All
for
right,
me
we'll
up
talk
there.
about that over here.
I'm on my lunch hour. I have to go back to work.
It was a bad decision.
But I didn't put it in there to conceal it.
Yes, ma'am. And
I showed her on my phone. I have a whole list of things my granddaughter picked, and it's pictures. And I asked her to help me find them because I couldn't find the thing.
I'm sure that the shop has the handheld baskets to put the items that you want to purchase. Your handbag is where people put items to steal. Stop playing stupid.
And I just put that other one in there until.
Well,
I
that's
got
what you'll have to talk with your legal counsel or your judge. The court will provide you with legal counsel if you can't afford to get your own, and you can tell that to the judge.
My own. I'm just trying to go back to work.
Yes, ma'am. Unfortunately, that's not going to happen.
So what do I do now? I have to.
Well, right now, you're under arrest. So you're in our custody right now.
I understand
and
that.
we'll take care of everything from
It's
here.
truly a misunderstanding because
Yes, ma'am. But that
I'm trying to pay for it with the other things at the desk.
Yes, ma'am. And that'll have to be proven in court.
What do I do?
Well, I'll let these officers handle it from here. We have a female who's coming to pat you down for any contraband or anything on you, and then we'll tell you from there. Do y'all still need me here?
No, I think we're good. Appreciate it, DT.
I don't think they're gonna allow you to purchase anything after this little fiasco.
Hey. Hello. I promise I'm fine.
What do you mean?
I mean, whatever you need. I don't have anything. It's a total misunderstanding.
You have any?
I have a whole list on my phone of what my granddaughter wants for Christmas. And I was I found a necklace first, and I dropped it in my pocketbook because I had to look through the clothes and the pocketbooks and the straps.
Take this out of your head, okay?
Yeah.
Well, I just have to search you, that's all. You got anything on you?
No, but you're fine to see whatever.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry.
I just have to
go ahead
and separate your feet for me.
No, I have to go right back to work.
If you're finding stuff you want, you have them hold it at the counter until you're done shopping. I wonder if she stole that Gucci purse too. And the police are treating her like she pays their salary.
They want you in it anymore.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah,
I don't come anymore, but it's a total misunderstanding because I didn't.
Well, right now he just said he's just gonna do a subpoena, so he's gonna let you off with a sheet of paper. You have a court date, and then put you on your way.
Okay.
But
And I would just tell the judge exactly what I did.
And they
I did, honestly. I did put it in. I put it in that little pocket on the side so I didn't lose it because I had all the other items I was trying to find and show them on my phone.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you. Those are tight.
Sorry about that.
Okay, now
What's
tell
that?
me what do I do?
So
I wait for.
So
you got my right
you're being
address.
arrested, but you're not going to jail.
Thank you.
So you're going to have to get a court date that I still need to put on there. But
Okay. They will. He said they will contact me at the right address.
Yeah.
But now.
So so you're being released on subpoena. You're going to have a court date of February 26th of next year. So this coming February.
Yeah.
Just make sure you don't miss that date. Okay.
I won't. Thank you guys for being so nice.
But just understand.
I should have happy holidays. Oh, I do
Thank
understand.
you. Just understand, you know, if
I'll
this
just
happens again,
explain.
they're gonna see this record of you, and they're gonna see,
Yeah.
okay, she's been, arrested,
It won't happen again.
and they might not be so friendly next time, and they might take you to jail. You seem like a nice lady. I don't feel like putting you through all
Thank
that.
you. I'm
but
so grateful because I'm a grandma and a professional.
I get
person.
that, but just
I'm totally embarrassed.
just understand that, you
Oh, and I got my keys in
did
here.
commit the crime of shoplifting, okay? By
I did
concealing
not
the
mean
items.
to, but yes, I did.
Okay. Well, just understand your actions and how that could get you in trouble. Okay.
Thank you.
But other than that, you're good to go.
I
If you don't
promise
have
I'll
any
do what
questions.
you told me.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm grateful for you guys being so nice.
Yep. You have a good day. Okay.
It will have to be better.
I hope
Yeah, have a better day. There you go.
Ultimately, the woman was charged with shoplifting, trespassed from the store, and released at the scene on a citation. She later appeared in court and paid restitution to the store. The situation quickly became a hot topic, drawing plenty of comments from viewers. She says, please don't do this. How about please don't steal? If you're not gonna press charges, don't call the cops. Refusing to prosecute is not being nice, it is enabling. What's your take on this case? Let us know below. She was lucky enough to avoid jail time, but the next woman who was also caught stealing wasn't nearly as fortunate.
No? Okay, do you mind if I look through your bag?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I just went shopping.
On February 14th, 2024, police received a report of a Louis Vuitton purse worth approximately $1,200 that had gone missing from a store. However, the police did not expect that she was an extremely stubborn person.
Suspects potentially Asian female, black, fluffy hair, wearing black clothing. She was in black clothing?
Black, yeah.
What's the store that she's at right now?
Bonnie Neiman
And that's 12 Beechwood?
12
Okay.
Beechwood.
Alright, thank you. Yeah, thank you. So, the lady came in, this Asian lady, and the owner said she was helping another customer. She was standing at the register, and she saw her standing by where the purse was, and she said the woman was like being weird and kind of like not really making eye contact or whatever. And next thing the lady just left, and she walked over when she was done with that customer, however much long after, I guess an hour or whatever, after Saul was gone, and nobody else had been in the store. Apparently, according. Hello. I have a question for you real quick. We were over at the Collective earlier. Were you there today? The store on Summit Avenue?
Yeah.
The owner there said that a purse went missing from the front and she wasn't sure where it might be.
Okay.
She said she was speaking with another customer when you were there. Do you happen to know, did you see the purse that
I looked around there.
Looked around there?
Yeah.
Okay. You didn't take anything?
No.
No? Okay. Do you mind if I look through your bag?
Yeah, I do.
Okay.
I just went shopping.
Okay.
What's your first name?
Lisa?
Lisa?
Yeah.
I'm Lieutenant Medina. That's Officer Colin Scarpello. This is Detective Ray Brady. This is probably just the wrong place, wrong time.
Yes.
I understand you probably feel confronted. But at the end of the day, we're just trying to do our job.
I understand.
It appears that you were the only person in the store when this went missing. And sometimes we pick things up by accident. Like if we're just gathering our stuff and it seems like you have a lot of stuff, we just want to rule that out.
Yeah.
It's kind of cold. I'm freezing.
From the witness's description, it wasn't hard for the police to identify the suspect. However, what seemed like a quick case ended up taking much longer than they expected.
And show us that the Louis Vuitton thing wasn't inadvertently picked up. That's a different story, right? But at this point, unfortunately, I think we have enough to detain you because you're the only person in the store. So
I wasn't, but I wasn't. There was another lady in there.
Oh, there was?
Yeah.
Oh, it sounded like you were the only person there.
That's incorrect.
Okay. Do you have a driver's license on you?
I do?
Can we have that just for our records?
I don't like all this.
I understand you don't like it,
Yeah.
but it's the reality. All right?
No, I
We're
understand
conducting
that.
an investigation, and it appears that you have been named as a potential suspect, and so, unfortunately, by law, you do have to turn over your driver's license for our investigation.
This is true. And see, that's not even true. I wasn't even on the road.
That could have been me. I could have misheard, but it sounded like you were the only person in there. Okay? I understand. This is probably just, like, again, wrong place, wrong time. It could just be you inadvertently picked something up when you didn't mean to. I don't know to tell you, but anything you can do to help us, we can put this to bed. If it was the other person, maybe there's video of the other person doing it, but there is cameras in there. So I just want to put this to bed one way or the other. If you could help us with that, that would be awesome. But I am going to need you right here. I'm sorry to be a pain.
No, it's not a pain. It's just wrong. This is really embarrassing.
I'm so sorry. But I will say, is the inside of your purse brown?
Yes.
The inside of your purse doesn't look
Well,
brown.
I have.
A brown Louis Vuitton in there?
No.
It sure looks like it. Right there.
No.
She didn't look poor or in need of money, yet she still went stealing. She did it just to seek a thrill, and it's her attitude that really needs attention.
It's in plain view. I can see it in your bag. Turn over your driver's license, unless you want to get put in handcuffs right this moment.
No, I don't want to.
Okay,
so
I already saw it in
ID.
plain view. Okay? Take the bag off. You're gonna get put in handcuffs, and I'm trying to treat you with respect. You could have gone so much easier. You just give us your ID and turn over the I don't even know if the victim wants to pursue this at this point. Okay? I don't even know that. Okay? But I have enough to detain you. It's in plain view. I just saw it. Okay? And I don't want to get into a fight with you. And I can see how nervous you're getting.
No, I'm irritated.
Well, I would be too if I was that lady over there and my purse was in your bag. So take off your bag because I can see it. It's not up for discussion anymore. Do you want to get put in handcuffs?
No.
Or do you want to see if we could try to work this out? Yes or no?
I'd like to leave.
That's not going to happen now. I already saw it. So you can either help us out here, and maybe she doesn't want to pursue this because she gets her belongings back, or I'm going to place you in handcuffs and you're going to be arrested for theft. And in addition to being arrested for theft, if there's any credit cards in there, you're going to get charged with those too.
I don't have credit cards in there.
Any credit cards that are in that particular Louis Vuitton that you're covering, every single one of those is an additional charge.
I don't have any other credit cards. They're my own credit cards.
Okay, the brown Louis Vuitton that I just saw.
Do you know I have a Louis Vuitton checker? I have a Louis Vuitton wallet?
I'm sure you do. But you have been identified. I just saw that in plain view. It matches exactly to what she's describing. We're not playing this game anymore, man.
I'm not playing this game either. This is
Let
wrong.
me have your ID.
This is wrong.
I'm sure it is. I need your ID, and I will not ask again. I can assure you of that.
You're already getting the ID out. Let's just get the ID out again. We saw it was in there, so we're not covering anything up anymore. Just give us the ID so we can go from there.
It's a misunderstanding. It is what it is, but we have to document everything that we spoke to, and we need to see some ID. We can do this now here, or we can just handcuff you here and cross you over where the cars are. Probably one of the busiest streets in Summit. So we can resolve this here. There's only 4 or 5 officers here, or we can go across the street and place them in handcuffs.
She stayed arrogant and composed despite the seriousness of the incident. She really should feel ashamed for acting like a child. The exchange between the police and the suspect was like a kid negotiating bedtime with their parents.
I gave you the option, man.
Man.
Okay, here. I'll give it to you.
Okay. Then give it to us.
Give it over.
Can you
Stop
please
pulling
look
away.
over?
Stop pulling away.
Look over me.
No, stop pulling away and give us the bag.
This is not up for discussion, okay? Turn it over now.
Now, or you're going to handcuffs.
I gave you the option before.
Okay, here.
It's too late.
No. We gave you the opportunity.
Stop, man. Stop.
Will you please just help me?
No. We're not helping you. You don't want to stop now. Ma'am, stop.
Ma'am.
Stop. This is ridiculous. Stop. You're not going to win this. You're not going to win this.
I promise you.
Man,
Please
stop.
don't.
All right, now you're resisting.
No.
You want to get charged with resisting too? 'Cause that's
No.
what are you doing? Stop. This could have gone a lot easier.
Relax and stop.
It's too late.
It's too late. Freezing cold road in front of the entire public. We're trying to be respectful of you. Okay? You're not being respectful of us.
Either take this bag off or I'm going to cut it off. All right, take your right arm off. No, take your. You don't need your left arm.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Please stop resisting.
No, please stop.
Doesn't have to be this way. Please stop resisting.
Stop. I'm just going to cut it off in 2 seconds because I don't really care about the strap. And let it go. We're going to go on the floor a couple seconds.
Stop walking away.
All right, there we go. You make this a lot easier. I like that.
I'll go down here.
Too late.
Get on your stomach.
This is insane. You're a grown woman.
Oh, this could have gone so much easier.
Oh, this is
Hold on. Take your gloves off.
I'm going to take my things off.
Yeah.
Why are you twisting your arm? You're going to hurt yourself.
I'm not. I'm trying
Because
to
we'll just break it if you don't.
Hold on. Let me look.
I'm not trying to.
Lisa tried to be uncooperative, dragging out the process and resisting the inspection. She really doesn't want to part with that bag to her mind. She stole it fair and square.
outside, please?
Yeah, you're going to jail. So.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. Stand right here.
Can I please just go?
Nope. Do you have
Sir,
anything on you?
please.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No, I never
All right,
take
well,
one.
I'm going to just check your pockets, okay?
Okay.
Just turn face that way.
It's right here.
Yeah, I know. Don't reach. Turn like that. What's this, a phone? Okay. I'm going to use the back of my hand, all right?
What am I going to do?
What are you going to do?
I know.
Do what? Just the easiest way is to slide backwards, all right?
Can I just ask you something?
No.
No, please.
Yeah, just slide back there,
Please.
please. You can ask me when we go inside, all right? It's cold.
Can I please?
Just slide back, okay?
Can I please?
When we get inside, I'm freezing. Let's go. Come on.
No,
It's
but
not
can
changing-
I
It's not
please?
changing the outcome.
We're going to walk down the street. It's a 2-minute ride.
No, but can I please just go?
No, get in. Come on.
I
You're
am
not-
begging you.
Okay, that's not going to work, so come on, sit back.
Wait, but you know what? But sir,
You made a decision. Go
okay,
inside.
my screw up.
Okay.
All right, let's go.
I am begging you.
Maybe the girl doesn't want to pursue it. I don't know. But
Okay,
doesn't
okay.
Go inside
can
the
I
car.
just tell you something?
No. Go inside.
No, please listen to
You
me.
need to be aware of your Miranda rights before you say anything. Okay?
Okay,
So
I'm
don't
just
say
going
anything-
to ask you
don't
something.
say anything until you are read your Miranda rights. I'm not asking you any questions, and I don't want to hear anything from you at this point. Okay? So Nothing you please, say is going to change. Just
anything.
get in the back of the car.
Can I
back.
tell you something, please?
No, we don't need to hear anything, all right?
Sir, please
Inside.
listen
Sit
to
back.
me. Do you know?
We just wrestled inside. Do you want to wrestle again in the back?
I'm
Because we
sorry.
don't want to do that. So just sit back, please. We're asking you
Hey, my
nicely. We don't.
I am begging you.
You
I'm
need to get
here.
in the car. We already put you down on the floor in there because you want to resist arrest. Get in the car. We
Okay,
don't want to have to force you in the car.
that's my fault.
Okay,
so-
it's about to be in the car. Go inside.
Can I
Go
please,
inside.
Can you listen to me for a minute, please?
Come on.
No. Okay,
Sit
no.
backwards. Sit
Okay,
backwards.
will
Watch
you
your head.
please listen to me, sir?
Let me see you,
Will you
please.
please listen to me?
I'll listen to you when we get inside, all right?
Lisa didn't successfully steal the Louis Vuitton bag, but at least she will stand out in prison with her lion's mane hair and charges of shoplifting and resisting arrest. Lesson learned: if you take things without paying, you will have to pay the price by going to jail. Next, you won't believe this. We've got a rich Karen who destroyed a mansion over 2 scoops of ice cream.
You're so stupid. I feel bad for calling you guys out. And he got me 2 scoops. And I threw it out the window.
On April 14th, 2023 officers were called to a residence to respond to a domestic dispute. Upon arriving, the police were shocked to learn the reason behind the argument.
Can I come in and talk to you real quick? Okay, y'all are arguing. Okay. Either one of y'all been drinking tonight? Yeah. How much you have to drink?
The rest.
Okay. Did anybody get hit? Did you hit him? Did he hit you? Anything like that?
He hit me, I hit him
Okay. Where did he hit you at?
in the face.
Okay. Mind if I look and see where exactly did he hit you at?
In the face. And I hit him and,
Are there some lights you can turn on?
there's a light right there. That's unplugged. You want me to come out?
No, it's okay. Just so I can see a little bit better. When did he hit you with like his hand, or was it like a fist, or was it
No,
open?
it was just an open hand.
Okay. When did he do that, or what point in the argument did that happen?
I don't really know.
Okay. Okay. Just all over the face, or?
No, just here.
Okay. At any point did he make you fear for your life? Are you afraid of him, or is this?
No.
No. Has this ever happened before? No. First time. Okay. And you said y'all were both kind of hitting each other. Do you know where you in that?
I hit him in the face and the
Okay.
balls.
Okay. Was it with your hand, or okay? Was it like a close like this, or was it like an open kind of? Okay. Okay.
I know this stuff's been tossed around. Did you throw anything at him, or did he throw anything at you?
He didn't throw anything, and I didn't throw anything directly at him.
So you're just kind of throwing things around. Okay.
Upon just stepping into the house, the interior was a mess, a stark contrast to its grand exterior. However, the wife's frantic, tearful behavior made the situation quite tense.
So stupid. We went to ice cream, and it was stupid. It was so stupid. I feel bad for calling you guys out.
Yeah, that's what we're here for. But
I wanted a pint of ice cream, and he got me 2 scoops, and I threw it out the window.
Oh, okay. I gotcha. Did y'all both go out and get it, or did he go out and come back?
We all got out and got it.
Okay. Okay.
I feel bad.
Was that on the way back, or when you got home that you threw that
I
out?
threw it out when he got back to with it.
Okay.
I feel bad.
And that kind of started everything that went from there. Okay. Do you know about what time that this happened? What time? It was about
Around 7.
About 7 o'clock. Okay.
This is so stupid. I feel bad for throwing the ice cream.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna go talk to him and see what see what he said had transpired and everything.
Did you throw anything? No. No?
I don't throw things.
Okay. So, the story I got was you guys went out for ice cream to Roosters, right?
Roosters, yeah.
She wanted a pint, and you got her a cone.
Yeah, 2 scoops.
And she threw the cone out the window, and you got mad at her.
No.
So you weren't yelling at her in the car?
No, I did not yell at her in the car.
Okay. You know, yelling's not illegal, right? You know that, right? So
She slapped my ice cream. There's whipped cream on the side door of the driver's side.
Okay.
There's whipped cream and a cherry all over the side of the door. So she whacked that. It didn't leave my hand, so I handed that back to the kids.
Was it her ice cream or your ice cream?
That was mine. Her ice cream was out the door.
It was already out the door?
Her ice cream was out the door by the time I got back.
Hearing the story from only one side wasn't enough. The police went to the husband to investigate, and an entirely different story emerged.
The issue is I used to look at it's very offensive to her. She's not ever really been able to get over it. Now, she never cheated on her. I'm not a carouser, but she's very offended by it. So there was a young lady at Brewster's. What she said was, "You got distracted and didn't get me a pint because of the long legs over there," and that's what kicked this whole thing off. And so that's
Okay.
that's the offensive piece.
So, was she yelling at you in the car?
Yeah.
All the way home?
No, we didn't talk most of the way home.
Okay. What happened when you got home?
I took the kids and we drove around the block. So
she was here.
She was here. She walked in upset.
Okay.
She walked in the house upset. I was going to take the kids and just go for a drive. They were finishing their ice cream. And I realized we didn't have a key to get back in the house. I was afraid she was going to lock us out. So we went around the block and we came back. When we came back, she said, "An asshole, what's your problem?" And we walked into the house. She slammed this stuff on the ground. From there, I had sent the kids down to the basement.
Right.
I sent them down to the basement. I went down. She went back upstairs. So she had calmed down. She went back downstairs. No, I went downstairs. Checked on the kids. She locked us down there. So we're down there for about 10 minutes. I called her parents, because usually her mother can help de-escalate her. Her mother talked to her through the door. She wouldn't let us out of the basement. The kids were getting freaked out. So I asked her to let us out of the basement. She said, "I'll let you out of the basement when you pass the debit card through the door," so she could go get more alcohol. And I would not pass the debit card through the door. And so she then opened the door, put my foot between the door. And then I pushed the door open, got the kids back up here. She then started to, I don't know what she threw next. Oh, probably
do that.
The chaotic scene, the tense conflict all over just 2 scoops of ice cream. Either the wife has psychological issues, or she's mischievous because she found the house too peaceful and wanted a bit of dramatic tension. There's no way she could be that foolish.
Laptop. How'd you break his laptop?
I just shoved everything off the desk.
You shoved it? Okay. But how'd you break the laptop specifically?
I don't know. I think I ripped it apart.
How'd you rip it apart?
I don't know. I threw it on the floor and it broke.
So you threw it on the floor and it broke?
Yeah.
Right. How'd the vase down there get broken?
I don't know. What vase?
The one by the checkbook? Had flowers in it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I guess I threw it off the floor. It just cleared off. I was angry. I just, waved my hand off. Everything. The top of it. I'm sorry.
How'd the food get on the floor?
It was on the... Just waved my hand. I'm sorry.
Did the food end up, you threw all the food on the floor?
Everything that got on the floor, I guess I threw it on the floor.
Did you throw the table on the floor?
No.
How'd the table end up like that?
I don't know. I threw a chair on the floor.
You threw a chair on the floor. Yeah, I see the chairs and the bench, but how would the kitchen table end up?
I don't know.
You don't know? How'd your stuff, the art stuff, get on the floor?
What art stuff? I guess I flew it off. Anything I did with throwing it off like this.
Okay. And then how'd the bows get on the floor?
Everything was on the on the desk. I just flew it off with my hand.
Okay, you told me that your husband threw some stuff. What exactly did he throw?
He threw the table.
Okay.
What the heck is she crying for? The cop is asking her simple, straightforward questions, and she's turning on the waterworks to garner sympathy. I love how he asks questions, and the silence makes her uncomfortable. She can't keep her lies straight.
Ice cream. This is so stupid. I threw the 2 scoops out, and he flipped out in the car on the way home, and I got mad at him when we got home, and I said, I'm leaving, and he said, I don't even remember. We're gonna get a divorce, and you know how this goes, right? Couples fight, and they get divorced, and I'm trying to leave this relationship.
Why were you throwing things around the house?
I threw the chairs because, I don't know. A show that I have, that I'm a big girl, I don't know.
You be throwing chairs and breaking laptops? Why were you doing all that?
Stupid. Because I was trying to show him that I know that I could still be someone.
He's gonna go take the kids somewhere, and then we're gonna take her down. Is it alright if we go through the front door?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Alright.
But I'd unlock that front door.
Put the shoulder up. It's probably be easier for you.
What am I being arrested for?
Criminal damage.
I got her arm. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Is he being arrested?
No, ma'am.
Not at this time.
The woman was charged with criminal damage to property and battery. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe for more of our content.
Ultimately, she was charged with criminal damage to property and battery. After the video spread across social media, viewers didn't hold back their reactions. He needs to divorce her, sue for custody. Use this to get custody. She's incredibly manipulative. It must have been a shock that it didn't work on the cops. If that's how the mother acts about ice cream, her children are doomed. And this is just one of many entitled rich Karens' stories out there. The next cases are even more shocking. So make sure you stick around for the next video. Don't miss it, subscribe now, and stay tuned.